How you going, guys? Dave from AllBrand Caravan Services. Today you can see behind me I'm working on this Iveco daily. Now the customers brought this mobile gaming centre into us today to supply and fit an air conditioner. So far, just letting you know what we've done so far, we've removed the ceiling, we've braced it out, we've actually sealed and fitted the aircon to the motorhome itself, and we're just going ahead in testing and everything and detailing the motorhome itself. So if you guys have a motorhome and you're wanting to do upgrades, or you're thinking about putting aircon or anything in it, give us a call. We'll be able to help you out the best we can and go from there. Thanks, guys. Bye.